Welcome to Loadmac Essentials, a series of videos which cover some of the fundamental information when it comes to the correct operation and maintenance of your Loadmac Truck Mounted Forklift. In this video, we are going to look at our recommended list of weekly maintenance checks and actions, which are a vital part in keeping your Loadmac in top condition and working at its best. Our recommended weekly checklist is as follows. In a dusty environment, check the condition of the radiator fins and clean as necessary. In dusty environments, also remove and check the air cleaner element and clean or replace as necessary. Ensure the breather is facing downwards when refitting the cover. Other weekly maintenance items should include greasing of the forklift. See a separate video for this operation. Maintenance of the mast chains. And wash and clean the forklift as necessary. This is an important step in whatever types of conditions you are working in. In dusty conditions, correct cleaning can help to prevent the build-up of dust and dirt. And when working in wet road conditions, especially in winter with road salt, brine or grit present, cleaning will help to wash off the salt and brine and reduce the corrosion potential. Please note, when washing, if you are using a pressure washer or steam cleaner, do not directly blast the lift chains or electrical components directly, as this may reduce overall product life. And there we have it, some weekly checks and maintenance routines to help keep your Loadmac in top operating condition.